Mike Hughes here. I'm at Safety Lab Plus, and I'm here with Wesley.
Hi.
And you want to tell us about the new products this year?
Absolutely. I'm Wesley Scott with Dr. Phil and Safety Lab Plus. Safety Lab Plus is focusing on two products here at the DEMA 2022 show. Our first is our air analysis kit, which is air analysis for scuba diving compressors, shops that pump air and or nitrox for divers. We provide a kit with a collection bag, a manifold that connects to the collection bag, and a yoke adapter. You simply pull the air right off your compressor, put it into the bag, run it through for a couple of minutes, put the two red caps back on the bag, and ship the bag back to us.
Okay.
Guaranteed results within 24 hours once it hits the lab. That's our first product. Second product is our CO Pro, which is a personal dive-safe CO or carbon monoxide monitor. You simply take out the tablet, put it inside the balloon, fill the balloon off of your tank valve, and it lets you know how much carbon monoxide is in the air mix. If it's anything from here and above, you don't want to dive because it could take your life. So those are our two products, the CO Pro and the Safety Lab Plus Air Analysis Kit.
Cool. And if they want more information, we're going to go
to drphilair.com or safetylabplus.com.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Sure. Thank you.